Hi guys, so at the point of recording this video, I'm currently sat at 1,300-ish subscribers. I have learned so much from creating YouTube videos, which I've been able to transfer the skills I've learned from creating YouTube videos into other areas of my life, which I'm going to go into detail in this video. So if you're new here, my name is Ifiok. I'm the owner and founder of MAD Collection. On this channel, we do everything related to small business because I've got a small business. Motherhood because I've got 3 kids, lifestyle, DIY, travel, and everything else in between. So if that's the kind of content you like, you know what to do. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed and turn on the bell notification so when I post any upcoming videos, you get notified. So in the journey of creating YouTube videos, I think there's no such thing as failing on YouTube. I feel like you either learn or you grow, or there's so much I've benefited from like creating YouTube videos in the last 3 years and 160 videos after. I'm going to categorize this video into 4 different sections. First is going to be self-confidence. Second is going to be education and self-improvement. Third is going to be gratitude, and fourth is going to be continuous learning. So first is self-confidence. So when I first started creating YouTube videos, I had no idea what I was doing. I literally just turned on the camera, and I think my first video was intro about my YouTube channel and what it was going to be about and all of that. So I used to use a camera. So I got a camera as a gift a while back and connect it and then transfer it to my laptop and all of that. It took quite a lot of steps and process to be able to get a video edited before I posted it. I've got quite a lot of videos I have actually created, but I haven't gotten around to editing and posting them only because of the time it took at that time. So now I shoot all my videos on my iPhone, and I'm using an iPhone 12 Pro. And so all my videos I shoot on my iPhone because I can just edit it on the phone and then just post it immediately. So it's just so much easier and smoother process. So self-confidence, I have done so many videos that I can actually sit in front of the camera now and it feels like I'm chatting with someone else. Like, that's how much confidence I've grown over time, because then I used to think, oh, if I post a video, what would people think? Is the video good enough? Is the topic fantastic enough? Is it like I was literally just doing self-imposter, like imposter syndrome was all over me trying to create videos or make videos at the time. But now we just get on it, sit down and just make the video and get it out there. So there's so much confidence I've grown over time. I mean, when you've created 100 videos, is automatic. You just get into the swing of things. Creating all these videos also helped like my confidence when I'm creating content for my brand as well, because there's so much content that people consume these days. Before, you'd usually just take pictures and that's it, but now you have to post reels, you have to do behind the scenes and all of that, and it's really helped my confidence level, not just on YouTube, but also like with my business, with my brand, my clothing brand. So that's one area I'm actually really grateful for. So next area now is going to be self-improvement. So with creating videos on YouTube, I mean, there's so much I've learned, like so much cannot even be quantified. And I'm just going to break this down into like different sections. I've learned how to like edit videos, because when I started YouTube, I watched quite a lot of videos on like the skills you required, the gears you required, everything around creating YouTube content. I literally watched all them videos, like consumed all of them. So it was so much learning that I had to do to be able to learn how to create videos. And have been able to like transfer that skill into my business and into like my personal brand, because like all the videos you see on my business page, which is at MAD Collection, M.A.D Collection, I literally like edit 85 to 90% of those videos. Yes, I actually edit all them videos. And like for my personal brand as well, which is at Ifidiva, most of the videos all the videos on there, I literally edit them myself. All the videos on my TikTok page, I literally edit all of them myself. So like the amount of improvement I've done with like editing YouTube videos is just it is it can't be quantified, like I said before. Now, it's easy for me to say I'll outsource it, but as a small brand or as a small business trying to grow, it's a bit not very like financially easy to be able to outsource every single content. There's a time I got people to like create reels for me, but you hear like, oh, I'll create 10 reels for £100, or and I literally could do like 10 reels in a few minutes, especially because I know what I'm trying to create. And I do like so much. I would sit down in one day and I could create hundreds of reels, not joking. Like, that's how quick the process is now. So that the whole creating and improving my editing skills, because you know how when you start doing things, you find it hard or difficult or the process is long, but by the time you get into it, it starts to get a lot quicker and easier. At some point, I'll be able to outsource all of this video editing to someone else. But for now, I'm just doing what I can with what I have and the resources I have in place. So that has really, really helped in my video editing skills. The other area I have improved on is my digital marketing skills, SEO, everything in that light. Because obviously with creating YouTube videos, you have to know how to like make the title something that is searchable. So even if someone is looking for you on Google, YouTube videos would usually pop up. So you want something where your videos would usually like come up when someone looks for like whatever you're creating. So all them search engine optimization skills, digital marketing skills, which I've been able to like use for my business and my personal brand as well, because I've learned how to like do like Facebook marketing, Instagram. I'm still learning Google and TikTok, but yeah, all them skills have been able to be transferred into something else, which if I did not start this journey, I probably would have no idea. It would just be like exponential equation just flying over the screen. But all of that I've been able to learn in my spare time and also created time to also learn that, which has been fantastic. Next part of the self-improvement is improving myself like physically and everything. So there's so much I've learned on YouTube. So like learning how to do like basic makeup or like doing hairstyles or even like creating designs. There's so much. I mean, so much I've learned on YouTube University trying to improve myself, my personal brand, and my business. So the third area is gratitude. Now, picture this: 1,300 subscribers. Imagine a room filled with 100 people. Now, imagine that room filled with 500 people. Now imagine that room filled with 1,000 people. Now to have 1,000 people subscribe to my channel, it is mind blowing. Even though I don't get 1,000 views on 90% of my videos, I know that at some point, this is me manifesting now, at some point I'm going to be getting thousands and millions of views, and I know it's going to happen in the shortest time possible. It's not far from now. So this is a lot of manifestation I'm doing right now. And I'm going to be getting thousands and hundreds and millions, hundreds of thousands of millions of views at some point on this channel. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm preparing for that time and for that moment. And I would embrace it with open arms. So I know it's something that will happen at some point. So I say all of that to say, having 1,300 people subscribe to my YouTube channel, I mean, it is a massive. I feel really blessed having this community of people on my YouTube channel, because when I started this many years ago, I did not even think it was going to be possible to grow this amount of people. But I am actually really grateful to have all of you subscribe to my channel. And if you've not subscribed, and I'm just going to plug it in, if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button. Yeah, I'll wait. Yeah, click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, so when I post any upcoming videos, you get notified. And then the fourth area that YouTube has been really, really helpful is just being able to take it all in. So the education bits, the um like I stay sometimes and then I just watch my videos and I'm like, oh, there's so much I would have done to make this better, or there's so much I would have done maybe to like improve on my editing, or like how I'm presenting the video, or how like my appearance is when I sit down to record a video. Like there's so much I like watch and look back on to make the next video a lot better. So there's so much that goes into all of this, and I'm so pleased and excited to be doing this YouTube journey. And I'm just like excited to see where this whole YouTube journey takes me on to. And the other thing I like to think of this YouTube like journey process is just a place where I'm just uploading some of my like life memories. So when I do a lot of my DIYs, just going back to see how far I've come with trying to learn a new design or learn something, or when I do like travel content and I upload them, just going back to watch them is just like really exciting to see what I got up to in a particular destination, or what I got up to trying to create like do an event or attending an event, and all of that is just really, really beautiful and overwhelming to see. So yeah, there's so much I've been able to like enjoy and learn from my YouTube journey. Even though it's the monetary value is currently not happening right now because my channel is not yet monetized, but I know I am so certain that before the like first half of this year is definitely going to happen. Again, this is second manifestation taking place, and I'm so confident about that because I'm going to do all I can to be able to make that happen and to make that work. And then just being able to like get my brand out there, personal brand and business brand, just getting it out there for the world to see is just really, it's just a really exciting journey. And I'm just looking forward to everything that comes with being on YouTube and enjoy the process. And yeah, I hope you stick around and enjoy the YouTube journey and process with me. So that's it from me, guys. If you enjoy the content of this video, you know what to do. Remember to like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification so when I post any upcoming videos, you get notified. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.